Theresa May's been bashing big business recently to obviously look good to the voters. She says they should pay their fair share of tax, reminding them they have to use the country's infrastructure, such as roads, and rely on its other public services. Wonder if she'll also be bending the ear of her husband about his company dodging tax. Philip, who works as a senior executive for Capital International Ltd, which controls an estimated $1.4 trillion worth of assets. This includes tax-dodging companies such as Starbucks, Amazon, JP Morgan Chase, defence giant Lockheed Martin, tobacco company Philip Morris International, the pharmaceutical sector Merck & Co, and also Ryanair. According to Capital, Philip's job is a relationship manager in the UK, which entails him making sure his company knows about their customers' goals. Perhaps Theresa will be interested to know that Capital International have not paid corporation tax since 2009. Private Eyes reporting that the company has accumulated losses of £26.4 million while still providing its services to its overseas parent company. Theresa's going to have to prove she's going to take action on tax, or may risk being accused of having a rather glaring conflict of interest. How can we trust someone who's worked for the Bank of England, is married to someone who looks after and works for companies that do not pay their fair share of tax? So, now we've got an unelected banker in charge of the country. Nobody elected her. She wants to single-handedly negotiate British terms of exit European Union, which continues a track record of authoritarianism based on her voting record. I'd expect to see a Brexit that will be good for bankers, big business and the establishment, including Theresa's husband, and no doubt their bank balance. Britain's in the process of removing its representation and influence from the EU and passing it on to corporations who will make money they earn from your work and hold it where it's no good to anyone. Phil, in the short term, however, will not be happy with Theresa's speeches, saying that companies like Amazon should pay their fair share of tax. However, this could be another instance of post-truth politics. Hillary Clinton too said things like this, but no one believed her because of her links to big banks and big business. If Theresa May takes no action against tax dodgers, then she undermines the effectiveness of the political process, reinforcing the view that politicians say one thing and do another while looking after themselves and their pals. This opens the door for forces that offer simple answers to complex questions, like Donald Trump, who himself is a liar and out for big business and the 1%, playing on baser instincts of the electorate. Do you feel the Prime Minister will actually crack down on tax avoidance, or is it all talk?